Yep, now where are you gonna put it? Are you gonna take it out now? Oh man, as soon as you were done with your work, huh? Yep, come on. Yeah, open the drawer. Yep. You gonna put it in there? Oh wait, you gotta make sure you push it down. Nope. Oh, that is not gonna work. What are you gonna do now? You gonna move some stuff around? Reorganize? Okay. That's mayonnaise. Say mayonnaise. Say mayonnaise. That's mayonnaise. Don't you want some mayonnaise? Want some mayo on the sandwich? Uh-oh, we've had the fridge open for too long. Uh-oh, somebody's talking to you. She's like, who's that? Here, you want to put it up there? Put it up here. Yep, good. A little more. Okay, put it down here. Put it right here. Right here. Yay! Now take this. Open this. What are you doing now? What the? Did you just dump those out? Uh-oh.